So I made a mistake when this plate was off and the bike was on the center stand. I was moving the bike around a little bit, jiggling it, and that was a mistake because this mount metal of the center stand comes all the way to here, and that's where it ends, and it's quite narrow there. So when this bolt is not in there, well, the factory bolt, then it's a little bit weak. So obviously the bike is 250 kilos. So when I reassembled the bike, I put this back in, all the bolts are fine, but this didn't want to go in. But I was aggressive and it went in. But on the it got damaged by this plate. So the thread in the engine block is fine, but I had to re-thread, drill the new thread in this one, because it bent a little. So it's an M10, and it's very hard to get this exact same type of bolts. So I just got a normal one with a hex head. It's fine. And yeah, now it has one bolt which is not standard, so I'm going to try to get a standard bolt. Alright, so when you have this off and the bike is on center stand, don't move the bike.